Ew.
Guys, have I ever told you how much of a good dude
I hope it doesn't crash. Oh wow, oh my god. Holy shit, mine in Tokyo. Oh my god. What the fuck?
What up, sexy?
What's up, sexy?
Honestly, yeah, it's all ice over there.
Bro, I got stuck.
When I first was over there, you're still on ice, by the way. You're gonna be stuck again, so roll off it slowly. There you go.
He's bullying me. Eating shit.
I got this thing.
Woo! Go, 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 go. Oh, unlock us.
No seatbelt, let's go. Double.
Oh, no! Press it up.
Just in a moment.
Careful, careful.
Yeah, no.
Oh. This is terrifying.
Adam's a drifter, I swear.
He got it! Oh no, he's got. Mexican got it right here. James got it over here. And we got the welder over here. Set up.
Got a nice shot.
James is like, please let me get the video that I'm working.
Please, I need to show my boss that I'm not sitting on my ass doing nothing.
You need to do his resume.
I need it. Yeah.
I don't know where to jack in this.
No, we're just gonna do it from the deck.
Should I jack it down here? No. I should. Your big black hole.
See, get it.
Good? I need to thrust it the other way.
Did you crack it?
No, that's how it comes.
Oh, it's the grips. What the fuck?
Help me!
Adam, they're inside.
You got a hammer in here, Adam?
Dirty.
So dirty. So dirty. Where's the other ones that I heard about?
Huh? Oh, here we go.
Trunk is cleaned. Bumper should be dropping off soon. Yeah, give me that ASMR. Yeah, ASMR.
Get a little bump back. Like the fact.
Oh my god, there's no rust. Oh my god.
That was a little bit.
There.
I feel kind of painted.
Oh, there's somewhere here as well. We got painted over.
Bondo.
Oh no, that's what is
That's-
that? Well? No, that's.
That's bubbled. It
Yeah.
bubbled on the rust.
Well.
It's okay. James will do more sanding.
Ride out GT.
James is so excited to do sanding.
Deal. Okay.
Me with the 240. Checking.
Bump is off.
Yay!
3.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Hey guys, Chris Fix here.
I don't
Is it?
Ew.
Guys, have I ever told you how much of a good deal?
He's like,
Oh, I believe it alright. What the?
can't tell why it was a good deal.
Or just don't say shit in the group chat at all.
Oh, Tyler.
Oh!
Alright.
His paint fell off!
Oh.
Yeah, it's coming off from the bottom. Oh, he broke it.
Let's see. Oh my god, he is solid.
Well, that's nice. I'll take the side skirt out.
There might be some quarter panels.
Don't worry, we're gonna do a giveaway.
And that's why you should wear safety first.
Yeah, you did it after.
This is why you always wear protection. In case you'll have one of
Don't
these,
buy
then you'll
GTRs
buy
with
one of
rust,
these.
bruh.
Don't buy a GTR from Carmine.
Apple juice.
Oh, wait. I'm trying to.
Put it over there.
this out. Interior is being removed by James. James, don't break it, it's expensive.
Thanks, Adam.
So I removed the rear bumper.
What's up, guys? Here's my garage.
What's up, guys?
This is the shittiest thing that I've ever worked on.
What's up, guys? In today's video, we removed the bumper, taillights, trunk, and quarter panels. And that's James just loving his life as owning a 240. So we have to remove this side skirts, these tail lights that Marcus is working on. Very hard working man.
Slave labor. I'm peeling out fucking weather sealing.
That's good.
The back seat sits inside of here, so you gotta pry up. I used an extension.
No,
If it's not Chris Fix, it's not true.
I agree.
Hurrah!
Not suffocating here, Adam. You leave it open.
Hurrah! Tanahashi
Copper
Kanamichi.
fiber. If anyone is trying to work on an R32, you never want to take the back seats off because you got these special hooks. They're a pain in the ass to take off. So if you want to work on an R32, never take the back seats off.
Ew.
What happened?
Back here's bad.
Your side is
It's
the back?
bad back here. Oh.
Because that's the one that once broke from the rust, right?
Back here's bad. Oh.
It was good deal. Oh wow. Oh my god, how were you driving?
No, on this side.
Oh my god.
It has to get cut and trimmed.
Yeah. You need 2 floors for that.
No. So we're gonna cut along here and we'll weld an L.
Okay.
That's what we're gonna do. Wanna see?
And for today, we're done. We need a break, so we're taking a break for tonight. You will see me in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.